Hello children, how are you? I hope that all of you are doing super amazing at your lovely places. So today we'll be covering Maths Class 10, Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry L1. Okay, and the topics that we'll be covering are your distance formula along with exercise 7.1 question 1 to 5. So first I will be explaining the distance formula, and after that we'll be covering the question number 1 to 5. So let's start. Okay, so in class 9th we talked about how to locate any point on the Cartesian plane. If you could recall, what did we discuss in class 9? Let me just tell you that. We discussed about location of a point on Cartesian plane. Okay, this we discussed. Suppose if I have any point, let's say 1, 2, then on the Cartesian plane, where is it gonna lie? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1 x-axis and 2 y-axis. So this is the point. So this is something which we discussed in 9th class. And in 10th class we have much more to discuss in depth. Okay, so now I will be teaching you the distance formula. So now we will be learning about distance formula. See, if we want to find the distance between any two points on a Cartesian plane. Let's say I have this Cartesian plane. So if I want to find the distance between any 2 points, then I use distance formula, okay, on the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane between any 2 coordinates, and I'm gonna use this formula. But then what is the formula exactly that you all want to know? So let me tell you. See, right now we actually derived this formula from your Pythagoras theorem. We derived this formula from this theorem, and now I will be telling you what is it exactly. In the book, if you come to page number 158, the derivation of the formula will be given to you, but I will be telling you in brief. See, actually it is first. See, if we want to find the distance between 2 points, let's say AB, then the distance between these 2 points is going to be under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is your formula. Now what does x2 x1 mean? Let's say the coordinates of A are 5, 2 and coordinates of B are 2, minus 3. These are the coordinates, okay? So 5 is going to be your x1, 2 is going to be your y1. 2 this, and if I'm talking about B, 2 is going to be your x2 and 3 y2. So then you can easily apply this formula and get your answer. Now this is distance formula that we have discussed just now. Now we will be solving some questions related to distance formula. Okay, so today we'll be completing question number 1 to 5 of exercise 7.1. So let's see what the first question says. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. So the points are given to you. Now if I am talking about the first part, it is given to you 2, 3 and 4, 1. These are your points that are given to you. Now how are we gonna find the distance by the distance formula? So first you will write, let's say this is A, this is B. So the distance between AB will be equals to, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Getting it? So now AB. Now just substitute the values. You know x2 is your 4. Okay? x1 is 2 whole square. Plus, what is your y2? y2 is 1 minus y1 is 3, so whole square. See, remember this is your x1, y1, x2, y2. Please remember. Okay, so the AB distance will be equals to under root of 4 minus 2, 2. 2 square, 4. Clear? Clear? 1 minus 3, that is minus plus minus. So 3 minus 1, that is 2, and minus sign, minus 2 whole square, that is again your plus 4. Why? See, remember, whenever we are squaring a negative number, let's say we square this, minus 2 whole square, it means I multiplied minus 2 two times. So minus minus will cut out, will get cancelled, and you'll get a positive 4. This is your answer. You'll get the positive 4. So now we can find the distance. That is AB is equals to under root of 8. So AB is equals to 2 root 2 units. So this is your answer. If this question is clear, then give me a thumbs up in the chat box right away, people. Okay, so now we are moving ahead with the... So people, the second and third parts of this, if you come to page number 163 of your textbook, so your first part I've solved, second part and third part are your homework. So I'm making a column of homework. Okay, I will give more homework questions, do not worry. Okay, now second question. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2? So this is not that important because towns and that is not important. Just find the distance between them. So you know that let's say this is A, this is B. Distance formula is this that you already know. X2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So you just have to substitute the values. Okay, so now you're gonna substitute the values. What is this? Is your x1, y1, x2, y2. Please do not get confused right beforehand, so that later on it will be helpful. Okay, so your x2 is nothing but 36. x1 0 whole square plus your y2 is given to you, that is 15 minus 0 whole square. So now AB will be equals to under root of 36 minus 0, that is 36. 36 square is 1296 minus, and if I am not wrong, 15 square is 225. So if you're gonna subtract them, then you will get under root of. Okay, so actually we have to add this. By mistake I said something else. So 1296 plus 225, that will give you, I think, 15. This is going to give you 1521, which is, and the square root of it is going to be 39. So your distance is 39 units. Okay, so this we have solved. Okay, so let's move to the third question, which says, determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. What do we mean by collinear points? Collinear points means the points which are going to lie on the same line. A, B, C. So these 3 points are lying on the same line. It means they are collinear. Understand now what to do. It means if they are collinear, can't I say that AB plus BC is equals to AC? Yes, this AB plus BC will be equals to the whole AC, because these both points are only making the complete line segment. So first I have to find the distance of AB, then I have to find the distance of BC, and then I have to find the distance of AC. If the sum of their distance is equals to the distance of AC, then only we will be able to say that they are collinear. Okay, so let's execute our plan now. Okay, so we are starting with the AB distance. So what will be your AB distance? under root of, let me write the coordinates for your reference. See your A coordinate. Where should I write? Let's say I'm writing here A. What is your A coordinate? It is given to you 1, 5. Okay. Then what is your B? That is given to you 2, 3. And your C is given to you -2, -11. So these are the points that are already given to you. Now we have to find the distance AB, BC, AC. So first coming to AB. So AB will be equals to under root of. Now what is x2 in this? x2 is 2 minus x1, 1 whole square, plus y2, that is 3, minus y1, that is 5 whole square. That will give you under root of 2 minus 1. 1 square is 1. 1 second. 5 minus 3, that is your minus 2 whole square, that is 4. So it is root 5 units. So by this we conclude that the distance AB is root 5 units. Getting it, now coming to your distance BC. So if we want to find the distance BC, then this will be x1, y1, x2, y2. Clear? So how are we gonna do? -2 whole square. Yes, because it is x2 minus x1. So this is your x2, this is x1, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 is minus 11 minus 3 whole square. Alright, so now you will be getting minus plus minus 6, it is going to be -4, and -4 into -4 gives you positive 16. So it is going to be 16. Clear? And 11 minus 3, minus 11 minus 3, minus 14. And minus 14 whole square is 196. So you will be getting root 212 after addition of this, and that is equals to 2 root 53. So this is your BC. Clear? AB and BC are clear to you. So let us write over here. AB is equals to root 5 units. BC is equals to 2 root 53 units. Now we are moving to our AC. See, now your AC is going to be this. A and C. Okay. So under root of what? This is your x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so first x2, that is -2, minus 1 whole square, plus y2, minus 11, y1, minus 5 whole square. Okay, so AC distance will be equals to under root of -2 minus 1 plus, so that will be 9, minus 3 whole square, 9, and minus plus, so 16 whole square, that will give you 256. Okay, so your AC distance will be equals to root 265 units. So we have found out the distance AC. So do you think that root 5 plus 2 root 53 is equals to root 265? Do you think this? One second. No, it is not equal. It means that these points are not collinear. So with this, we finished with this question as well. Let's move to the question number 4, which says, check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So they are asking us that if we have any it's looking like equilateral, but right now just assume it as isosceles. And the vertices are these A, B, C. Let me tell you the coordinates. A is given to you 5 comma minus 2. B is given to you 6 comma 4, and C is given to you 7 comma minus 2. Okay, so these are the coordinates that are given to you, and you have to prove that it is an isosceles triangle. It means any two sides are going to be equal. Okay, AB is equals to BC, generally this. Okay, if any two sides are equal, then it is going to be isosceles. So let's find out the distance AB, BC, AC. First AB. First this distance. That will be under root of, what is x2? x2 is 6. x1 is 5 minus 5 whole square plus y1 is 4 and minus 2, 4, so it is in the form of 4 minus minus 2. Okay, so minus minus plus 4 plus 2. Okay, so 4 plus 2. So we will be getting the distance AB is 6 minus 5 whole square, that is your 1 plus whole square. 4 plus 2 whole square, that is 36. So AB distance is root 37 units. Is that clear? It is your root 37 units. Now moving to your BC distance. That is under root of what? BC. So 7 minus 6 whole square minus 2 minus 4 whole square. So distance BC will be equals to 7 minus 6 whole square 1 minus minus plus 36. That is equal to root 37 units. So you are able to see that two sides are already equal, but do not finish right now. You have to find the third side as well, because probably it can be equilateral as well. So now we will be solving for AC. So AC, what is going to be our AC? Under root of 7 minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Okay, minus 2 minus, okay, that is going to be plus. So minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Getting it? So that will give you under root of 7 minus 5, 2 square 4 plus minus plus, that is I think 0, if I am not wrong, yes, 0. That will give you root 4, that is 2 units. So now this has come 2 units. So we are able to see that AB is equals to BC but is not equals to AC. It means two sides are equal, one side is unequal. It means this is an isosceles triangle. So you have to write hence proved at the end. So you can just take a screenshot of this question if you have any difficulty in solving it. Okay. So question number 5 is going to be your homework for today. Question number 5 is something which is long. I will be discussing in the next class along with question number 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So bye bye and take care.